Hello, how are you? Sam Spinelli, your trusted real estate guy here. I wanted to talk to you real quick about what's happening in the market. And one thing I keep on hearing in the market and when I'm talking to people, the big question is the market slowing down enough that it's going to turn into another 2008? That's kind of what everybody's pushing into. And what I wanted to show you was what's happening. And first of all, the answer is no, it's not going to be another 2008. And every analyst is saying that as well. Of inventory over the last 3 years. So a month of inventory is going to be the amount of houses on the market, and if it were to stop at that moment, how long would it take for buyers to be able to purchase that amount up? And for us, the average days on market is between 11 and 14 days. So it moves pretty quick. Our months of inventory tend to be much less than that of the months of inventory nationwide. Currently, nationwide, there is an inventory crisis, so to speak. And that inventory crisis nationwide is an average of 2.6%. For us here in the Bay Area, Santa Clara and San Mateo County specifically, we tend to actually be closer to 1.5 months of inventory on average if you look at 2018. If you compare 2018 to 2021 January, 2018 had 1.5 months of inventory and 2021 had 1.3 months of inventory. And then if you fast forward to current, July in 2018 had 1.6 months of inventory. July had zero point 0.9 months worth of inventory in 2021. So what does this mean? So again, the big question is the market going to tank just because it's starting to slow down a little bit? So my next point would be, what does this look like if you were a buyer who had bought back in 2018 of January? What that means to you as a buyer is that in January of 2018, you could have bought a home for $1.5 million, 1.5.2. In January of 2021, that same home could have been purchased for $1,718,000. And if you fast forward to July from 2018 to 2021, it shows a big jump. In July of 2018, you could have purchased a home for 1.69, and in 2021 of July, you could have purchased that home for $2,171,000. So the big question becomes, what is it that makes the most sense? What I can tell you, and what I would tell every client, is when you're looking to sell, the reason you're looking to sell at the time you're looking to sell, that's the right time. If you're looking to buy, the reason you're looking to buy and the time that you're looking to buy, that's right for you then. Don't try and play the market. Do what makes the most sense for you now, and eventually it's going to pay off. Hope you're having a great day. If you have any questions for me at all, please give me a call, 408-393-9294. Talk to you soon.